right, we're gonna go over how to change your profile picture and how to change the picture on your courses. So we're gonna start with profile pictures. So you're gonna come up here to the drop-down arrow, hit your profile, and then come over here and just hover whatever image is there and hit edit picture. Click on attach file, and then it'll take you to whatever pictures you have saved to your desktop. So you're gonna wanna make sure that whatever pictures you're wanting to use, you already have on there. So I go find it, click on it, hit open, and then give it just a second, and then you'll see your new picture pop up. And then you just have to hit the X, and then you're good to go on that. To change course pictures, so courses start off looking like this, just this blue background, but I think it's way easier if you add a picture, especially if you make a picture that goes with this subject area. It's going to be way quicker for kids to find the correct course that they are supposed to be in. So go ahead and click on one of them. All right, and then same kind of thing, come up, hit edit picture, attach file, and again, I already had this pre-saved, just click on my books, open, and then it just switched to, I already had that one, but you will pick whatever picture you want for your course and it'll work just the same. After you upload it, you just hit the X and then you are good to go.